Today I'm going to show you Breadbox Ensemble running under DOSBox on a cross-platform thumb drive that I created. Here I am in OS 10. I'm going to launch my DOSBox, my DOS thumb drive. And you can see I've created two folders, DOSBox OS 10, DOSBox for Windows. I have configuration files in each one set up for each environment to make Breadbox Ensemble work a little bit better. Here's my DOS apps folders where I store all my applications, and then my shortcuts to DOSBox. So here comes Breadbox Ensemble. Takes maybe 10-15 seconds to load, and you're going to see I'm running that familiar old Breadbox Ensemble GeoWorks Ensemble user interface from the day. Now I'm going to switch on over to my other environment, my Windows environment. I happen to be running VMware Fusion, so I can run both PC applications and OS 10 applications on my MacBook Pro. So give me just a moment. We're going to shut out the DOSBox environment. I'm now going to switch over to my Windows environment. I'm going to connect to that thumb drive. It's going to take a second or two for Windows and VMware Fusion to catch up. But we're going to see that drive show up here in just a moment. And once it does, there it is. Here's my shortcut to DOSBox for Windows. I'm going to simply click on it. It takes a little bit longer into the Windows environment for things to pull up, but you're going to see here in just a moment that that same thumb drive that hosted all my files through OS 10 is the same thumb drive I'm calling now under the Windows environment, and pulling up Breadbox Ensemble in it as well. So here's a splash screen for the program, and we're going to be running that graphical user interface that was written 20 years ago, that ran on the simplest of machines, beating even Microsoft Windows to a lot of features and functionalities on very limited hardware 20 years ago. We're going to see it pull up here in just a minute. As I said, it does take a little bit longer for things to pull up in Windows. I think I have some optimization to do in the configuration file for DOSBox. But there's the familiar E icon, and here we are running GeoManager from a thumb drive under Windows, and that's the end of this demonstration.